Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, we all know that gift cards are a great way to boost sales and attract new customers. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually add them gift cards to your Shopify in 2026. So let's get started. Number one, we're just gonna open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, open your favorite browser and look for Shopify.com. It will usually take you to the home page where you should log in using your email address and password. After it's fully done, you should be able to see this page here where you're gonna go all the way to products. Tap on my products here. You should be able to see again multiple options including collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. For now, we're gonna go all the way to gift cards. Now, we don't have an active gift card. You can add a gift card product, then create your gift card. As for now, click add product, then select gift card, set the gift card value. Choose fixed amounts or allow custom values. Then customize your gift card details by adding a title, description, and even an image. Then set your availability, make sure the gift card is active and available. After it's fully done, all you're gonna do is save and publish. It's that easy basically. If you still have some problems including the gift card, we're just gonna tap gift card here for this AI to help us. Basically, I can see you are on the gift cards page. Gift cards are a great way to let customers choose exactly what they want from your store, and it's gonna give you multiple options. You can even ask for a task to be done, create promotional code for Cleaver, then it will keep creating the code for you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.